10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Brooks, Cameron, Hidalgo, and Willacy, and the following marine locations: Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo, Colorado; Laguna Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas, and Laguna Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch.